I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hello, and welcome back to the Barca Hub. Another big matchup is right ahead of us, where Barcelona travel to the Allianz Arena in Turin to face Juventus in the Champions League. The match will start at 9 p.m. local time. Barcelona going to the game winning just one from their four previous games, which was against Ferencvaros in our previous Champions League game. On the other hand, Juventus have won two of their last five games, but the difference is they haven't lost a single one. To understand Juventus more clearly, let us take a look at their stats from their previous games. First, they played against Roma and drew 2-2. Then, they were awarded 3 points without playing against Napoli. Then, they drew against Crotone 1-1. Then they won against Dynamo 2-0 in the Champions League and yesterday drew against Verona 1-1. If you see all the stats, you can tell one thing that their passing accuracy has increased. Their midfield is performing better than last year because of Andres Pirlo, the midfield maestro. Their fluidity has also increased and they are not as boring to watch as they were last season under Sarri. But they are still not a complete and a perfect team as they don't have Ronaldo who is suffering from the virus, plus Dybala is also finding his form back and they also miss De Ligt. Now moving on to Barcelona, as you guys know, have not been very consistent, especially in the second half. The intensity is very good in the first half, but we look tired after 60 to 70 minutes, especially against physically strong teams. Barcelona struggle a lot. They are not able to keep up the same energy level, and that is why we need to make substitutions very early in the second half, around 60 to 70 minutes. And Barcelona, after that, will look to bounce back as Koeman will try to win his first big game with Barcelona as a coach. Pirlo will also try to establish his name as a coach and will try to prove a point that he can coach a big team like Juventus as his first job. Now let us take a look at predicted lineups. Barcelona will miss Piqué due to a red and Coutinho due to his injury. It will be Neto in goal, Alba as the left back, Longley and Araujo as CB and Dest as the right back after a very promising performance against Real Madrid. Frankie will start and alongside him should be Pjanic. They both are a lot better together and they both are a lot better combination than Frankie and Busquets together. Reports say that Griezmann will play as number 10 with Enzo on his left, Trincao or Dembele on his right and Messi ahead of him. But Messi can also play the number 10 role with Griezmann leading the line. For Juventus, it would be a 3-5-2 similar to last night with Szczesny in goal, Demriel, Bonucci and Danilo as centre backs, Cuadrado and Bernardeschi as wing backs or as wide midfielders, Ramsey, Arthur and Rabiot as midfielders with Dybala and Morata in front of them. This lineup could possibly change and I am sure it will change if Ronaldo passes the PCR test. All in all, it would be a very good game as both teams are not perfect at all. It would be a tactical battle between two former legends or legends. So whatever the result is, the game will surely be impressive. The tactical preview will come on the channel tomorrow. Until then, Visca El Barça.
I never made it.